Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I and my friends, we are going to eat Amala and maybe a wedu and begiri, whichever one, but like no, we're going to eat it with all the toppings, the roundabout, the shaki, you know. So I want to get my friends' reaction. This is actually their first time of eating Amala. Can you imagine? I actually had to move them, drag them to come and eat this Amala. But whatever the case may be, watch out for their reactions.
Eating already.
Let me put on Lydia's face after everybody's ready. This is Lydia. She came all the way from Ibadan and she's celebrating. This is Emedio. Always acting at your boy. She's the English madam. This is Ekpe. No, she's here, the foodie. She has been struggling with me this morning. And this is me, like TONARIA, you know, your girl. Stay tuned.
Can I marry them?
Marry them. Okay, here we go.
This is actually very nice.
Yeah, it's nice.
Rate them 1 to 10.
It's nice. From 1 to 10. Say 8.
8.
Yeah, that means it's actually nice. Okay, my first time of eating Amala. Let's try this. How did they do it?
That's it.
It's actually hot too. Okay, so here you go. Nice.
Even the way you're eating it. Let me remove me to eat Amala.
The Amala needs to enter well. So for it to enter well, you need to remove them. Yeah, I cooked the baby in my own. I actually cooked it. It's actually nice.
Hello. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to
Comment.
do whatever. Comments. Thank you. God bless you. That's why I have friends. I need friends.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Hey, guys.
Welcome to my channel. So today we want to. Hey guys.
Yes, you are.
Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I brought my friends to eat Amala. So I want to get their reactions. I mean, to show my video. This is my intro.
Sorry.
Sorry, start again.